The Lypertek Soundfree S20. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Lypertek Soundfree S20. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The Soundfree S20 features 8 hours of listening time, 48 total with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, SBC codec, button controls, USB-C and wireless charging, ambient sound feature, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case is lightweight and compact, and it feels solid. It does have a bit of a slippery finish to it. And on the back you have the wireless charging symbol. On the front, you'll find the branding along with the status LED lights. On the bottom, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it has a snap to it when opening and closing. Earbuds are also held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. And you can see the ear indicators inside. The earbuds have a small build and has an ergonomic shape. Ear markings are on the inside face, and the outer face has the branding. On the side of the earbuds you'll find the button control with a brush finish. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, button control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward, a few clicks to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.9 inches. It weighs in at 39 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not you, it's me, you see. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Lypertek Soundfree S20 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Soundfree S20. They were very comfortable and they seated well in my ears. It has a good snug fit. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals, and I like the button placement on the side as it helps alleviate the pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds do feel durable, but as mentioned earlier, the case is a bit slippery. Earbuds are small and they are pretty flush once seated in your ears. Button controls were responsive and it has a clicky feel to it. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 8 hours and 40 plus with the case. I like the wireless charging along with the USB-C port. The ambient feature I felt was a bit underwhelming and could have been turned up a few notches to pick up the surrounding noises. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep and punchy. Just the right amount and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. I like the overall wide soundstage. It sounds very immersive and crisp, and very enjoyable as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, these are a great pair, and they definitely rank up there with some of my favorites. The sound it produces at this price point can definitely rival earbuds twice the price. So that is my review of the Lypertek Soundfree S20 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.